Is it the right time to buy or sell Uranium Energy stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Uranium Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 9, 2024, our system has ranked Uranium Energy as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, the stock has gained 14.94% since we first recommended buying Uranium Energy 4 days ago. This means it has achieved an average return of 3.74% per day since it was labeled as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Considering recent developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken the strong short-term upward trend and indicates an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend's broken level of $7.34, which could present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $8.07, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 27.14% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return between 8.23% and 20.11%. The 12-month trend suggests a 95.12% change over the next year, with a potential return between 26.65% and 95.63%. This means the price range could be $9.84 to $15.20 after 12 months. Our latest update for Uranium Energy brings exciting news. The stock price has increased by more than 12.12% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 12, 2024, the Uranium Energy stock price rose from $6.93 to $7.77, marking a gain of 12.12%. This positive trend has continued for 5 consecutive days. It'll be interesting to see if the stock can maintain its upward momentum or take a small break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 9.44%, reaching a low of $7.15 and a high of $7.83. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 20.65% in the last 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. Furthermore, there were 23 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $226.24 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $7.83, while the lowest was $2.30. Currently, the price is 0.7% or $0.0550 below the 52-week high of $7.83, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. In a recent report on Monday, June 13, 2022, financial firm Canaccord Genuity upgraded their rating on UEC, giving it a buy grade. Analysts have given Uranium Energy stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Uranium Energy. The Uranium Energy stock is showing positive signs. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals is favorable, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at the levels of $6.80 and $6.56. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. On Tuesday, December 19, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 25.12% increase so far. The stock is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 148 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 140 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Uranium Energy. When it comes to support levels, Uranium Energy has some key levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, there is support from accumulated volume at $6.44 and $6.34. It's important to note that if the stock breaks through one support level, it may fall to the next one. So, if the support at $6.44 is broken, the next level to watch out for would be at $6.34 and $6.33. Let's talk about the risk involved in trading Uranium Energy. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a range of $0.675 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 9.44% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.99%. Before we dig deeper into potential trading levels for Uranium Energy, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. With an extremely high PE ratio, it suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 11, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Uranium Energy. Looking at the chart, we can see that there are no significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. It's important to keep an eye on volume as an indicator for when to exit your position. On the downside, Uranium Energy has its first support level at $6.44. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as we anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Uranium Energy has a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Obara PAT, one of the insiders, has executed the 5 most recent trades, involving a total of 220,623 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a positive insider power ratio of 10.206. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 2,823,976 shares and sold 2,263,484 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $7.50, which is a decrease of 3.46%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Furthermore, the RSI 14 is currently at 77, which significantly elevates the risk level. Additionally, we have observed a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 16 days ago. Is Uranium Energy stock worth buying? While Uranium Energy shows some positive signals, we don't believe they are strong enough to make it a good buy candidate. At the moment, it would be more appropriate to consider it a hold candidate or accumulate more shares while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 16th, we anticipate Uranium Energy to open down $0.188 and start trading at $7.58. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target price do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.